Welcome back. I have a couple things here we're gonna unmold, so let me come around and do that. Okay, we're gonna start with this one because this thing is heavy and I am curious. Ooh, I want to see if it's gonna be hard to come out. Nope. So far so. Ooh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. Oh my. Okay, so it tight. Yeah. All right. Oh, okay. Okay, see, this is, oh, okay, no, this one tight bad. Oh. Okay, first of all, me holding it like this is giving tambourine. But this is gorgeous. Do y'all see like shades of purple on this? We're calling this Divinity because it's giving the witchy girls would love it. You got your 4 holders here for your candles. Yeah. I don't even know if you can see the full color. Like, this is so gorgeous. And it's like dark, but not. It's like a smoky purple-ish, glittery. Yeah. Love it. And I'm gonna take this one out first because I've never done one of these molds. I've done the regular coasters, but I've never done the actual coaster holder. Oh boy. This already seems like it's giving me a problem. Okay, this is still kind of soft. I'm scared. Actually, no, because it'll finish curing. Oh my gosh. How do I? Oh, yeah. Okay, so it probably helps that it's a little bendy because that would have been ridiculous if it didn't have any give. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, so this looks exactly how I wanted it to look. Like, it's giving like a marble-ish, like yellow and brown vibe here. Like, you see? And all the legs and everything. Yeah. Also a little glittery. We use the same batch, low key. Okay, so that goes there. And then we're just gonna slap. Where's the best place for you to see it? Right there. We're just gonna slap each one in. Hopefully they do what they're supposed to do. This is gorge. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hey. Okay. All right. Nice. This one's a little bit darker, but that's okay. This is so cute. I'm sorry, not sorry. This one's a little bit lighter. Doesn't have. I love that they're all different, but in the same theme. That was the whole idea that I was. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Okay, hold on. I get so excited, guys. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, this is so great. Can this one? There it goes. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm like screaming all in y'all ear. I'm so sorry, but this is so freaking cute. Okay, so are they supposed to be smaller or is one supposed to be on top like that? I don't know. Again, this is my first time using the holder mold, but I live like honestly this, and I just got this 1 Talamela, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I love this. All right, let me mosey on back around this side. Okay, so I am very pleased with this. Like, This is so cute. As if I didn't make it. But I love Tetris growing up, so here I am. Oh, yes. And I love, my favorite thing about it, honestly, I can't even tell which side is the top and which side is the bottom. This is what my beef is with these. Like, they're so, like, perfectly symmetrical on the top and bottom. But I guess it's up to whoever is using it if they want like the darker side or the lighter side. But it's basically the same since I didn't use like a really dark pigment. I made it fairly opaque. This looks so cool. Like, I wish y'all could see how this looks from my end. Like, this looks so cool. It looks like, oh my god, you know in chemistry when you're looking through the microscope at like organisms and things? Or like, is that biology? Whichever one of the sciences. This looks so cool. Well, it could be either one because chemistry, you look at how the chemicals react to one another through the scope. But yes, like, these are giving me life. Like, these are so pretty. These are so pretty. I am so pleased. And I can't show my mama this because she's gonna be like, oh, send me that. How much you want for? But yeah. Okay, so we got coasters. And if I tell you how long I've had these molds, but y'all probably know because y'all have seen, did I do unmolding video for it? I don't remember. I don't know if I did an unmolding video when I did the other ones for my mom. But I did a similar one with like orange. And then this is so cute. Like, I'm taking everything in me not to keep it for myself, but I'm gonna do a blue one for myself, so it can go up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out Pointless Talks, the podcast. And just like everything else we do on Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye!